how to format external hard drive on your Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now, if you have connected external hard drive to your Mac system, this is how it will look like. This is how it will show on your desktop. And if you open it, you can check out all the files which are available in the hard drive. Now, if you want to format this hard drive, the external hard drive, the process is very simple. All you need to do is, first of all, you need to connect the external hard drive to your Mac through USB. Once it appears over here, you can go to disk utility. So there are two ways by which you can go to disk utility for formatting. So you can either select Launchpad or you can open Launchpad, and after that you can go in other option, and then you can see disk utility option. You can select that, and this is how the disk utility page looks like. So this was the first way to go to disk utility. The second way is, and the easiest way is, you can simply press Command plus space bar on your keyboard and you can activate Spotlight search. In that you can search for disk utility, and once you get that, you can open it. Now once you open disk utility, if you have connected external hard drive, it will show you over here on the left hand side below external option. So this is where you need to select the hard drive first, and after selecting, it will be highlighted in this blue color. Now you can check out the current used data or the space is somewhere around 26.59 GB, and still 1.97 TB is available. Now these are the files which are taking this much space. Now if you want to format it, all you need to do is, once you select the hard drive over here, you need to go and select erase option over here at the top. So you need to select erase. Once you get a pop-up window like this, you can rename the external hard drive while formatting, and under format section you can select exFAT over here, because later on if you are going to use this on Windows system, it is better to select exFAT format. So I have already selected that, and as I said, if you want to rename it, you can rename it. So that's pretty much it. After that, you can simply go and select erase option. It will take some time to format the hard drive, so you have to wait, and once it is completed, you will get a message like erase process is complete, click done to continue. So yeah, operation is successful. You can simply select done option, and now you can see the used space has come down to 10.9 MB, and earlier it was somewhere around 26 GB, I guess. So yeah, if I open the hard drive now, you can see no files are available. So we have successfully formatted the external hard drive in Mac. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.